In DAC presents Promising Schools of India. Today we feature St. Andrew Scots from Jagatpuri, Delhi. Founded in the year 1989 with only a small batch of students and teachers, today this is one of the most reputed institutions in East Delhi with over 1,000 students.
We didn't have any good schools in this area, so it was founded by my father, late Sri J.K. Arora, with a vision of providing good quality education in a protected atmosphere.
Our vision is to empower children so that they excel in every field and achieve heights of success.
St. Andrew Scots School professes to have devoted itself selflessly towards setting new standards of excellence in imparting quality education. Special remedial classes are also arranged after school hours for students who need that special attention.
Our curriculum is designed in such a way that the maximum potential of the students is utilized and they don't only cram but they deeply understood each and everything.
We don't want a child, to just come to the school and learn ABCs and 1, 2, 3s and call it a day. We want our children to become expert problem solvers, which will come as a handy life skill in every aspect of life.
According to me, curriculum is very important. It plays a major role in forging lifelong experiences, competencies, as well as social attributes and skills, and above all, it should be child-centered and well designed to suit the needs of the student. We use different kind of teaching methods for all the subjects like lecture method, doubt clearing sessions are there, and role play. We take to the students to the industrial visits and many more.
St. Andrew Scots School acknowledges the relevance of technology in today's day and age and makes sure its students are well adept with the latest technological tools. The school provides 2 computer labs and a smart class in almost every classroom to make learning a fun practice.
Today's generation is very fast and they learn better by what they see rather than what they listen. So smart classes are better as it is not possible to teach each and every topic by chalk and blackboard.
The smart class is beneficial for the teachers as they can use new methods of teaching for the students. They can, bring in their own flowcharts, draw their own diagrams and show them on the smart class. And the students are also very interested in seeing what the teacher has got in the class for us for this day.
Smart class help us in understanding the concept in a better way. Smart classes make learning more effective as we see things and pictures related to the topic on smartboard. We get so many questions for practice. In the form of flowcharts, things become clearer.
Smart classes make our study easier because we will see the pictures related to our topic and it will make our studies more interactive and entertaining, and I really wait for my smart class.
Apart from integrating technology in education, St. Andrew Scott also has a web portal for parents.
Every parent is given password and username so that they can access all the information about the school and the students. The parents sitting at home and they are getting all the information about these children that they have, whether they have come to school or not. How they are getting by the technology only.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a ball.
The school firmly believes in the overall development of a child and to ensure that a variety of hobby classes like dance, drama, music, art and craft, public speaking and an eco club for instilling philanthropic values are organized regularly. St. Andrew Scots also takes pride in its wide variety of sports like volleyball, basketball, badminton, judo, gymnastics, chess and carom.
We believe that if there is a hobby which you have, there is a job waiting for you in the end. Each child can choose his own set of class which he feels he's interested in, go to a class, sit throughout the class, and if he feels that class is interesting for him, he can continue with that class.
By co-curricular activities, the students become social, they become aware and they understand to take social responsibilities.
Teachers are very helping and supportive. We perform activities under their supervisions. We do outdoor and indoor games. I am a member of Ego Club and love participating in roadshows and campaigns and spread awareness to all.
St. Andrews Scots strives to be a school that empowers children through education so that they excel in every field and achieve the highest level of success in their lives. And this is what makes it one of the promising schools of India.